And it's recording.
Hey, so we came out to the property today just to check on everything. We knew that the power pole had been put up recently, and we found out that it looks like they've actually trenched the cable down. So let's go take a look. I still can't believe they got a machine back here that made it all the way through that ditch.
So as we go over this hill here, this right here, we were worried that the machinery would have a hard time traversing, but obviously they had no issues whatsoever. And all along the path from the pole, and we'll walk down to where they're going to put our transformer, they had to bury it 4+ feet deep. That's the local code.
We had it all cleared for them, but they wound up, it looks like, pulling some of the stumps out that look like little zombie bodies over there.
So this actually helped us out because they removed stumps and they pulled this tractor, this piece of equipment up here.
A bunch of rocks.
Yeah, they pulled up a bunch of rocks we didn't know were under the ground. So their backhoe is still up here, or excavator.
Thing.
Some of the stumps they were able to pull up for us.
That's wild.
So not quite finished yet.
But it got buried all the way back here. It hugs right along the edge here. You can see where it comes out, along with the grounding rod. And you see the transformer on the other side?
Yeah, so there's the transformer and the pad. So we assume they'll come back out the next several days and put all this stuff right there. So we're excited, extremely excited that this is done, and we were thinking they were going to give us a phone call to let us know they were coming, but hey, they just showed up and got it done.
Maybe they'll just let us know when it's all finished.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye!